lunch with two short story writers who are also novelists, Ben Young and Joe Ferry. So we should really leave the question to be dealt with at length. I'll just say one thing briefly. Forms are forms. They're actually completely different from one another. It's not that a novel is this heavy thing and you compress it a little and it becomes a short story, you compress it further, it becomes a poem. The poems are compressed, yes. No, I think short fiction, my experience of writing short fiction was not about taking material and densifying it, but it was about reading things out and being very judicious or trying to be skilled about what I left out so that people, it was more like a fill in the blanks exercise. Not yet another form entirely. We all know fluff when we see it, and when we see it as a bad novel. A good novel is not just extraneous material added onto a story. It's just a story that needs that much space to breathe and has that many aspects to spell it out. I know when I was being evangelical about short fiction and promoting it that I would describe the novel as a brick to the head, because as a form, and I still stand by that statement, as a form, the novel is not one that invites a whole lot of discussion in the room. If you read it, you like it, you are discomfited by it, you like being discomfited by it. If it's literary fiction, you go out and recommend it to other people. But what short fiction does in terms of continuing to rework itself in your head so that the reader is rewriting it